Hi everybody. I have a 2003 Gen E825 and I'm charging it. I just filled all my batteries with distilled water and it's making this noise right now. I don't know why. It's coming from the charger. Does anybody know why? And of course, you know, my speedometer is moving around a lot. So if anybody knows what the problem is with this thing, get back to me. I appreciate it. It's well, you can't see this side, but here. Everything seems to be set up pretty well. The fuses are fine. So if anybody knows why it's doing that, please let me know. Okay? Thanks. Bye.